Good afternoon, Grummy. Today is Monday, December the 22nd. We got a mail call. I'll get into that in a minute. I'm still trying to get my shit together from last night. Woohoo! Well, Pawpaw got high as a fart. I forgot all kinds of stuff, man. I didn't even show you the damn target. I was in Zuzuland. I knew I was going in Zuzuland when I stated, oh, what was it? I'm second guessing myself or something like that, and I just shut right up and went on jibber jabbing about other shit. But I wanted to ask you is like, I got that cheese going in the spider farmer I want to bring in here and wanted to, I don't know if I'm going to, bring in here and do a single 7-gallon pot run. But, man, I did pretty damn good with that run. First time using the Dr. Earth liquid for a whole run. I mean, I did throw them into lockout right at the very end. All four, one of them didn't even show signs of lockout, or a tiny bit, but they all of them had a different stage of it right at the very end. But believe it or not, I waited out yesterday. All the trim, all the fucking shake practically, because I busted the buds up good. But all the shake and keef and shit, no stems, man. I mean, just pure bud and fucking trichomes. Hash in the bag. Believe it or not, I got 11.71 grams out of that. And out of some seeded up flour, man. I bet I'd almost put money on it. I could bust out an easy pound just running them 4 2-gallon pots. I kind of liked it, because I feed them every day, and all that good stuff, or feed them once a week and watering every day. I do it with the 7-gallon pot dry amendments, kind of boring. Top dress once a month. Feed water every 2 or 3 days. Have more fun with the smaller pots is what I'm kind of getting at. I don't know. What do y'all think? Try to run one big girl in here, or try to bust a pound out with 4 2-gallon pots. Let me know what you think about that. And, okay, back to the giveaway. I did not say anything during the giveaway draw about all the, if you got shot and you made it into the pot, you won beans. All of you, everybody won beans. All 22 of you won beans. The pot, little drawing out the pot was just for the 4 prizes. The chute was for the beans, and there was 22 of you. So if you were a confirmed kill and your number one in that pot, you won beans. So you need to jump in your email and shoot me your out of here and everything. Let me know what you want, whether you want the cheese photos or autos. I got fucking shitloads. But all right, let me get my thoughts back again here. Oh yeah, I turned the comments back on, and I was getting ready to defend myself. I stated everything about the turkey shoot in the intro video, and stated that if you got hit, you won fucking beans. So that's my defense for my stoner fuck up. I did mention it in the intro video. But yes, everybody that went into that pot won beans. So jump in your email and hit me up. I I tagged all the winners in the comments section and the description section of that entry video, so you can go there and check it out. I had a good time. Had a real good time. I was in fucking Zuzu land at the end there. I'm gonna blame it on the Puffco. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get into this mail call. From my lady. Alright, I'm gonna have to move, or I'm gonna have to move you. Let's see if I can't get my big ass over in here. Move my camera a little bit. Hold on. Woo, I'm gonna send you for a ride. Gotta redo here. God damn it. I'm just gonna get the damn camera. Big old box too. Yes, indeedy. From my lovely Miss K. Thank you, honey. I got something for you. Yes, I do. My poor little tent looks so lonely. I swear, I think I want to throw 4 2-gallon pots in here. Fuck that 7-gallon pot. I'll kill the cheese I got going in the 3x3 and start 4 2-gallon pots in here. Might even scrog it out. I don't fucking know. I don't know which ends up. I'm still fucked up from last night. Got a lot of packaging up to do. A lot of packaging up to do. 22 and then some. What have we got? Uh-oh. Miss K hooked me up. Opened the wrong side of the box, but woo! Oh, hell yeah! Got me a nice TV, boy. Thank you very much, Kay. I told y'all she had to dress me. I ain't got shit. Oh, I hope I didn't fuck them up. I should have paid attention. Look at that. Oh, I'll see munchies in the future. Oh, holy hell, look at that shit, Miss K. Oh my God. Is this infused? I'm already infused enough. They're gonna come in handy for sure. Munchies. Hell yeah. Thank you, honey. What the fuck we got going on here? I think this is all stuffings, maybe. Oh, I got a card too. Oh, what else I get in here? Oh, holy shit. Sturgis, baby. Fucking A, Miss K. Miss K knows the deal. Those goddamn men will wear fucking rags. Ooh. Look at that shit. Vroom, vroom. I'll take you for a ride, Kay. You want to go for a ride? Hell yeah. Thank you, honey. I hope I got all that in there. Oh, my card. Did you put some perfume on it, Kay? Ooh, I see a slap, baby. I remember those days, Kay. I remember those days to a T. I had the rabbit dogs running behind me and fucking toting the kid along. I remember those days. Now they lock you up for cutting the Christmas tree down. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, got a shiny one. Yeah, I knew I was going to get a kiss. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, magnet. Yeah, okay. I'm going to put you right on the fridge. I'll be looking at you every time I go in there to try to get something to eat. Oh, shit, fire mighty. All right, shit, I'm going to put you down here. I'll take y'all up off here so I can get some light on some of this shit. I got the tent completely off. I was shitting a brick. I was shitting a brick yesterday, or the day before, when I was in here cleaning my tent out. Everything started going wonky. Ports were dropping off and on my damn, app. Fucking light was flicking off and on. Fucking exhaust was fucking kicking on and off. It was going bonkers. I had to delete the fucking delete this 69 Pro controller out of the damn off my app and reinstall the shit. Now it's all working fine. It scared the hell out of me. I thought I was about to get a new controller. Ain't nothing fucking cheap nowadays. But yeah, you can see where I circled the hard hits, and then I put a line through them when I wrote everybody down. Poor old 52, I burnt you up, but I had to let you ride, brother. You just had too many. There was quite a few of them that were close as hell. Oh, Eugene Martin, look at there, Eugene. One of my turkey shoots, you blurted out I missed. Yeah, I told you I wouldn't miss your big ass. Right there it goes. I put 3 of them in your big ass, boy. I bet you felt that sting. Yeah, I had a fantastic night last night, Grammys. Woo! Give me some. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I've got so much. I'm scrambling. Can't believe I fucking didn't even show my damn the card last night. I was fucked up as a football bat, man. Yeah, I apologize for that. I gotta look at him. I gotta look at the munchies again. Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you very much, Miss K. Old Fat Buzz is gonna get after it. I'm dragging ass. I mean, shit, 9 o'clock's my bedtime. I think I was so wound up and fucked up, I don't think I got to bed until like 1 o'clock in the morning and got up at fucking 5:30. I'm tired as fuck. Hey, I love y'all. I wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm out of here. Peace.